and then compare that to how much seatbelt can do, like protect you from any force, and then we can also see how slow the car would have to be going to see what we can use our hands to stop it. You know what I mean? So we're just down here. We're getting full, but yeah. Easy, 1. You got it, keep going. Get it, good job. Easy. 1, easy. 2, oh yeah. 3, you can basically do plays. 4, keep going. 5, that's easy. Easy! Oh, keep going, I got it. Oh, okay, so Eli did 95 6 times. So Eli's max force he applied was 110 pounds, and Wyatt did 115 2 times. So Wyatt's max force he applied was 120, and then I did it's 90 plus 45. 135 2 times. So my max force was 145, which is nothing compared to a crash. But we'll figure out how slow the car would be going, have to be going, that we could stop it. Done.
Going 10 miles per hour, I'd get 200 pounds of force applied to me, and I would still go into the windshield. Now, let's say I was 400 pounds, and the force would be that much. And depending on how kind of 400 pounder you are, you might be able to survive it. If you're 5 pounds, you have 5 pound force. But if you say you'd change, let's say 180, let's see how slow I'd have to be going to survive, knowing that my max was 135. So let's start off at 3. Yep, I could survive that. 5. Oh, I could survive that. 10. Or not 10. 7. They will survive at 7. About 9. I'd still hit it at 9. 8? Where that? 8 would be my max. So for me to be able to stop myself with my max push of 135 the other day, I'd have to be going 8 miles per hour. So isn't that just whack?